So, I missed Ludum Dare 48. I was too poorly yesterday to finish my game, which is a bit annoying. But the good news is I can still enter the jam, but the only bad news is that I'll be posting against teams, whereas who have used old assets, on my have used old assets, whereas I've just done everything on the day sort of thing. But either way, I didn't expect to win or out. It would have just been nicer to have an equal playing ground, but it's on me. I'm gonna make sure I got my chat on because I won't be able to respond. Why can't I just restream chat? Check that it's working on YouTube because YouTube doesn't like me. Loaded. Hey David Mick, you right mate? See, I can see your thing in YouTube, but I couldn't see it in the other one. Now I can. So that's working, that's fine. I'm just gonna make sure my Twitch is working. It's weird because when you do multiple streams, it messes up a bit more, I noticed. I'm grateful that you can do it though. Yep, that one's working too, so I can get back into the game. Hi David, so did you do Ludum Dare by any chance, or have you just been working on anything? I'm going to work on my own game too, nice. I'm just kind of testing mine at the moment, seeing what I could change. I've got a working loop to enter for the competition. You collect coins and stuff. You can upgrade your stuff. I always do my axe first. That seems to be the best thing to upgrade. And the whole point is you get right down to the bottom, and if you manage that, you win. And it's quite a distance. It's 1,000 blocks, and each block is 4 pixels high. So it's like what? 4,000 pixels in general, but it's really zoomed in, so it is a far way down. So a lot of this is just limiting the fall damage. That's what you're fighting against. I took a little bit of damage there. I tried to do the compo, but yeah, that's what I tried to do. But yesterday I had the worst day. I had a busy weekend, and so I'm trying to do the jam, but I don't know if I'll finish. I'm exactly in the same boat. I have finished. As in, this is okay for me to upload, because it's an alright game, but it's alright. We've got quite a while yet, I say quite a while, what is it, like 4 hours-ish? So I'm like, well, I could do some tweaks, you know, see what works. Because right now, I've got the gems, the most important gems can spawn right at the top. So that's a bit weird. I'd like the important gems to spawn near the bottom, but I don't know, I'm not complaining. I need to tweak some of the prices as well, because you can get your axe up really quick. So right now, and your light as well, because light is huge because it makes flares almost redundant. Yeah, another big fall. Can I update my axe now to 20? So I'm going to throw a grenade to speed this up. Keep out of the way of the blast. Yeah, I got it. I mean, it's an alright game. I'm happy enough with it. But I mean, I have put 2 days work into it, not 3 days, so it's kind of a bit annoying. But there's no sound effects, there's no art. All this was placeholders, and I just didn't. I'm not great at art anyway. I'm on my best day, so it's no biggie. Oops, I could have updated my light again. I love the lighting in your game. Thanks, mate. Yeah, yeah, it's cool. It works. I like that. It makes the game look better than it is. See, the white ones, that is the best gem in the game. So I am gonna work towards getting that one. I'm just gonna throw a thing over here while I can. Oops, wrong one. I upgrade by 20 I need. Okay, I'm going to go for the blue, and then I'm going to go for the white. That's much faster, much better. I need to somehow tell the user that, hey, you know, the white one is really important, because how are you meant to know? You know. There we go. Use 30 for the light. Like, these are the most common, the coins. So I want to go down here. Just do this because it's quicker. Yeah, see, I'm actually enjoying playing this a little bit, which is good news, right? I mean, it's nothing new. Get some health. Increase my light. Now, see, I'm only, what, less than 10% down in the game, and I've already bought level 3 lights, and the max level is 5, so they're definitely going to have to increase the price. Ghost the Captain, for me, this in 2 days would be awesome. I got to 12%. Cool. Thanks, mate. Appreciate it. Mike, good night. Good night, Mike. Yeah, so, I mean, I could spend the last 4 hours putting in some sounds, but I'm like, can't be bothered. I'll just say don't rate the sounds. I'm going to tweak the prices because I'm happy with the grenades and flares, but the light and axe goes up way too easy. I need to get to be out here where you're like, right, I can buy lights and stuff, like end game ones. And this is, I mean, if anyone wants to play this version as it is now, I mean, I don't know why you would, but it's here. Grits. Oh yeah, mate, that's freaky. So that's the version that I've just played then. It's not finished yet, but so yeah, so this kind of, I guess it's not totally irrelevant. Yeah, so what I think I'm going to do to make the gems like, hey, yeah, this is quite an important gem. What hurts you? Falling and grenades, and that's it. But believe it or not, it's quite easy to die. So I'll show you like how easy. A lot of it is because you've got this darkness, right? And you're like, oh, can I go down there? Well, if you use your flares, oh, you can see you can, but then you've used your flares. So after a while, like, you'd be like on the edge, and you can kind of see there's something over there. I don't think I'd make that, but I won't take damage from that fall. Let me just see if I would. This is gonna kill me, yeah. I got to 4%, you know, so. Oh god, this axe. I don't know if the starting axe is just too slow. Yeah, I think the starting axe is just too slow. I'm going to speed it up a bit. Good thing is this grenade will collect the wealth for you as well. So I'm going to increase my light, increase my axe. Yeah, straight away, it's just so quick to get credit. But I mean, the game's quite boring in the way that you can beat it, I would say, without upgrading, but it'll just take forever. That's why I was thinking about having a timer. It's missing a Ninja Jones. Yeah, that's what I wanted to put in. I wanted to put some ladders and maybe a rope swing, but you know, this is all I would have liked. Like jetpacks, I'm gonna have this and that, and then reality is this. think actually that hurt me. So you got health there. Yeah, so I'm going to focus on, when you collect a gem, I'm going to have like the value that you've just collected, so after a while you can kind of realise that, oh wow, that gem was a lot, so I'll focus on that gem. Because I don't want to have like a list. Oh, I could have a list going down the side. But I don't know, it gets a little bit messy then. Scope Creep! Yeah, it's my enemy, mate. Although, to be honest, I'm pretty proud of myself on this project, because it's been like, I did 4.5 hours on the first day. I think I want to say 1 to 2 hours yesterday, but one of those hours was wasted. And today's probably been the day I've put the most in, but not had the most visuals. David Mick, I'm impressed that you made random generator and a full shop system. A random generator. Yeah, thank you, man. The procedural, the procedural level generation is not as complicated as it seems, though. It's quite simple. Like it's, well, where is it? So it's just this. It's created a map. We do a noise texture. We then go through the max X, max Y, which is this, but this is in blocks, not in pixels. And then we return the cell ID, what we want to set the cell at that position. And then we just make so the get noise 2D will return a -1 or a 1. So white is 1, -1 is black. And then you can imagine as you know, noise texture, it's all messy, and it's just that really. That's my return ID thing. So this is me putting like kind of a percentage on it. If you look at the very first one, there's one, well, just under 1% chance of getting a white gem, which is really tasty to have. And you worked while streaming. Yeah, a good chunk of that, mate. Yeah, I find it a little bit more. Yeah, the very first day I was talking more when I was working as well, so it's a bit of a funny one. But yeah, it's weird with streaming. Initially, it slows me down, but I think it kind of keeps my brain going, right, yeah, I'll do this, I'll do that, and then I'm talking it out loud. I don't know why that works for me. Place finish line. So I just place the finish line. No matter how big the level is, the finish line will be in the right place. So what I'm going to focus on is, I could have like a texture node just float up and something with a plus. Yeah. Does a label have a positioning? I don't think it does it? Ignore that. What's it called when you... And for this, I'm going to make sure that I've got custom fonts on. Bloody ocean. Fonts. Which one will we use it? Disposable droid. Oh, I'm using the Italian version, damn it. Italics. Italian version, what am I about? So I don't know how big that's going to be compared to the actual scene, so I'm just putting this in the game. I'm just putting everything in folders and I don't care. What's everyone else doing at the moment? I know David Mick is still doing exactly the same thing as me, started the compo, but we had a busy weekend and now we're doing the jam. So no, because we could have been using old assets and stuff.
Spectacular locations from iconic hotel brands, including the Autograph Collection, Sheraton and W. Unwind by the pool, enjoy a game of golf, or indulge with a delicious dining experience. It's time to treat yourself to the break you deserve with Marriott Bonvoy. 30 hotel brands, endless experiences. Visit emea.marriott.com to plan your escape today.
Who's the boss? I'm the boss.
Yeah, I want to see how big it is compared to the player.
Just way better with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, packing all the power of a PC into a tablet. The S Pen makes writing and drawing super smooth, Perfect
really
for sticky
irritating.
notes. Multitask like a pro
There it
with
is.
split view. Work up reports
Way
on
too
one side
big.
and finish up research on the other. Plus, power through your 9 to 5 with a book cover keyboard. Half price on selected bundles. Buy now at Curry's PC World. T's and C's.
So, do I want to do it like that, or is it just not going to be able to see it? I have to play it to know. No, you can see that, that's fine. And I think that's about the size I'm going to have. So where would I want it to pop up? Let's just do that. And then I'll have it like this. So it'd be stuff like plus 10 or whatever the value is. Hey Phoenix, are you right? I don't think I've seen you here before, mate. Does Ludum Dare give you an hour to submit after the deadline? No idea, this is my very first Ludum Dare anything. I've always wanted to do it, I always planned to do it, never do it. And then the day off the day, I was umming and ahhing before it, and I went, yeah, screw it, I'll do it. And now I'm like, ugh. Bump. So what do I want to do? I want to play a on-hit block. Ooh, this is going to be a little bit more complicated. Okay. So no matter what, we have got something. Coin, a gem, coin gem. Yeah, so this... Oh, we've got update health there as well. That's a bit annoying. That value pop up equals put in instance. Then I want to say, well, I'll have to do it in here, won't I? Is it label? Then I'll have to... Actually, would it be better where I actually do the collect coin? Yeah, that makes more sense. Yeah, because the wealth amount, yeah, totally makes sense that. Oops. Bar to string. Then I want to add it to the player or to his get parent. Then I want to then position it. See if this... Oh, I need to make it go upwards as well, don't I? So I'm going to do it in the physics process. Oh, it does. That's awesome, mate. That's really handy. So, well, now it's 5-ish hours, isn't it, I think? So I'm making a dig deep kind of clone. So it's a procedural generation in a cave. So you get lots of caverns, and if you fall too fast, you get damage. And the whole point is you got to get to the bottom. But because light's limited, it's quite difficult. I'll show you how it works in a second. So with this, I'm just gonna go global position .y. What's upwards again? It's minus or plus? It's minus. Oh, it doesn't matter, innit? Oh, man. I might do it on the what did I do wrong here? Oops. So nothing will make it go away, which is a bit annoying. So if modulate.a is less than, I say, 0.1, right? Then I want to delete it. So I'll show you what the game looks like at the moment. Press play. So you've got a lot of man, he's got an axe gun, it works more like a gun. That's your platform you start on no matter what. You get gems, and the pop-up doesn't work, because I didn't include it. It broke quickly. No, that's not what I'm looking for. There you are. Pop, 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 pop. I'm going to get rid of that one. So I could throw a little flare down. That's a big ass drop, so I'm going to just go down carefully. Oh man, this is... yeah, the starting axe is too slow. Oh, it worked, but it went very fast. Let's try 2. Yeah, the whole point is you've got to get down to the bottom, and this radar tells you how far you've travelled. You can go to a store, buy stuff, tells you what you've got up here, your wealth and your health. Very simple. Not really needs to stay there to watch that. Good. For the love of anything holy, change that Comic Sans looking font. It's meant to be digital and it's italics, which I didn't mean to do. I'll have to change it though. If anyone wants to find me a better font, feel free. Like, now that I'm allowed help, it doesn't really matter. So what's going to happen if I collect that? Yeah, that's cool. But the only issue is that when the grenade hits multiples, you're going to just see a mess in one. I don't know what I'm going to do for that. So that was a little bit better. I mean, let me put this in there because it takes forever else. Actually, let's buy better axe. Yeah, already this is much better. So I think this might be the starting axe. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. I think maybe colour the font of the gem, right? That would make sense. Yeah, I don't know if it's going up too fast. What do people reckon? And I don't know, it would be nice if I had some modulate where it glows a bit as well. Oops, do that often. Okay, I think that jump I could make safely. Oh, you... But... Oh, I survived it just. Need some visual feedback when the axe hits the bricks. Yeah. I mean, the visual feedback is the brick changes. And that's it. But right now, I'm in just crisis mode and you're going fast as I can, just working out other kinks. Like, trust me, I know it needs a lot more, but it needs sound. Oh, that was weird. Yeah, so I'm alright with the thing going up. I actually like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so it takes the colour of that. Which is going to be pretty time wasty, I think. Maybe I could just flash it randomly. Tiny brick colour particles is the safest, like force particles. Yeah, because I've got particles when you use the explosion, so it makes sense. I need that thing to be a little bit way more obvious. Could I mess around the modulator there? Would that work? Let's try that. I don't know if it's going to be a bit too shiny though. Ooh, that's really good. Just didn't do anything. But yeah, you can kind of see, alright, blue's a 7, so that makes sense. And I don't like that it starts at his feet. I want it to be just a bit above him. This started alright, and then it was just getting annoying. Screen shake can get tiresome. No, I think screen shake would be awesome, to be honest, especially when he gets hit and if his grenades. Obviously, it's I always say put it in options, but it's a game jam, so. See, the thing is, if using the modulate, yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's just play it back. I need to find the colours, and it's just gonna take me forever, innit? I don't know. Because I want the colour to be that colour if I get a green. Make him shout south when he gets spawns. I would, but I live in the south, so I can't do it, can I? Can do it. I might just do green, just the default colours, but I need to know what the gems are again. I think I can make this bigger. Didn't work. Alright, I'm just gonna experiment, so play a hit. Oh, actually, you know what I should sort out before I do? I'm gonna try to see what it looks like when I use the grenade on multiples. Now I've got to find them, haven't I? Plop. Oh, and this axe is so slow to start off with. Still not really what I'm looking for. Do I have enough to get a flare? Nope. No! Okay, this should tell me. See what I mean? It should have been 2 then, but obviously they're the same value, so that will just go into one another. Okay. Okay, so. Oh man. I could put it on a timer, I guess. You know what, I'm not even going to worry about it. It's just too much mess. So first thing first, I'm going to increase the axe. First axe. So that's like your second one. That can't be true. Yeah, it can be. Oh yeah, the smaller number there. I'll make this 2. See if that feels better for starting out. Yeah, it feels better. It's still slow, but I mean, it gives you a reason. Also, I need to have it so... like, these prices are really bad.
Finding the car that's right for
See,
you.
the axe is where it starts off the issue.
In Mercedes-Benz online showroom, you can search and compare all approved used cars in stock today. Simply select your model, set your budget, or let us inspire.
5. I'm going to put the
wealth
wealth
the
up.
entire range from SUVs to saloons, and because every car is fully approved by Mercedes-Benz,
I can
peace of
see
mind becomes a
what that
staple.
would look like.
The right used car for you is just a few clicks away. Search Mercedes-Benz approved used today.
Yeah, that gets a little bit. Ooh.
All episodes streaming from Friday. Falcon and the Winter Soldier, an all-new
Light
6-part original
definitely
series from Marvel
needs
Studios,
updoing
lands
as
on
well.
Disney Plus
The world's upside down right now.
this year.
I have a plan.
So maybe the starting axe could
What
be
is it?
higher.
Team up
Here we go again, huh?
and take
No,
off.
I'm just going to leave that at, I think.
Falcon and the Winter Soldier.
That's good. I think light is one of those where it
Original
negates
series,
flares, so it
episodes
should be
streaming from
pricey.
Friday, only on Disney Plus, the home of Marvel.
This would
18+
go up
subscription required,
pretty
T's and
pretty
C's apply.
quick. So the first light, I'm just going to be like, ooh, that was worth it. 40's alright for the second. 160, I think that's alright because it goes up. Yeah. I'm alright with that. Those are fine. The axe. Yeah, okay. I can live with that. It needs testing and that's what takes up so much time. Here we go, this is actually a good test. So what's this going to look like? Yeah. I can live with it though. I'm trying to think what else I can add. I was tempted just to try and do a jetpack. Ah, cool. Looks complete, sell it on Steam. Yeah. Could I jump over to... Oh, that was a dumb move. I'm learning to do this a lot as well if I want to jump a gap. Because that way I can just exploit it by doing that. Should be okay. No! It's a bit slidey, but I kind of don't mind that. So, yeah, that's it. I mean, I guess what to add really now? I guess maybe some, yeah, maybe actually just do some particles off the brick. Yeah, actually, you know what? Screw it, why not? I'm just gonna add a little tiny bits of polygis. I think that's a good idea, actually, the particles of the brick. Oh yeah, that's the one thing I was meant to do. I was like, yeah, I'm going to have it when he hits and takes damage. I want there to be a blood particle effect. I'll do that, and I think I'll do the brick particle effect after it if I've got the energy. A lot of this now, because I've done the most hours today, and I'm just a bit like, I'm done with this game, you know what I mean? Particles. That's some blood particles. Oh, you know what? Oh no, that's a bit too much. I was thinking about putting my blood thing in, but then you'd need such a big texture sheet. You could do multiples and delete them as you go on, but that's gonna take me longer. But it'd be good to paint the scene with blood. Man, imagine if you had particles present. If you could have particles present in Godot. If you could have particles present. Presets, sorry mate, yeah. Yeah, that would save so much time. I mean, I guess you could kind of make some default ones, but yeah, who does that really? And then gravity, initial velocity, which way is it going? That's not the way I want it to go. Sort of like that, put the gravity back on. And it's only going to be like an explosion of them as well. Kind of. Is it going to emit them? Colour, I'm just going to make it red and then not bother too much about. Maybe a bit darker. And not so spread out. There we go. Maybe something like that. I'm gonna have to do it, aren't I? Damn it. Let's see if that works. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try this, see what it looks like. Because it's in the player, I'll just put it in the player. 1/3 deep in the cave. Have you tried it, Ghost the Captain? Where's the player? Yeah, still digging it. Oh, cool. I added coyote time to it. I think that's the only polish I've added. What was that? SF Spen is raiding with Party of 3. Thanks for the raid, mate. Appreciate it. It's really hard to keep up. I've got 2 monitors and one monitor is really tiny. What you making here? I'll give you a demonstration of it before I add my blood. So it's for the Ludum Dare. It was meant to be the compo. I've done about 2 days on this. Yesterday I was just too poorly, so I'm going to do the jam instead. There's no animation sounds or anything, but basically it's a procedural cave generation, and you've got a radar to your left that tells you how deep you are. It's about 1,000 blocks deep, so it's about 4,000 pixels. You collect coins. There's a little mini shop in here. Let me just... And the thing is, it's like all about fall damage. You want to get right to the bottom without alive, basically. Yeah, that's not going to be good to fall down there. So you can fall a little bit, but when it's too far, you are going to take some damage. So over... Oh no, here we go. And that's why you shouldn't risk it. So you've got a little store. Oh yeah, I've put my wealth really high just because I was testing things out. So you can increase the light, which kind of negates the flares. Increase your axe speed. So now it's much quicker. Oh yeah, you get grenades in here as well. Got some health. But when you first start out, it's like, ooh, you know, it's really hard to see things. So it's a bit of a slow start, and then it picks up pretty quickly. Thanks, mate. I appreciate it. Kabooma, hello. How you doing, mate? How about you, Ben? I'm guessing you're a dev too, yeah? What? Is anyone else doing the loot? Well, I know David Mick is. Yeah, I keep playing the game rather than working on it, which is, I guess that's an alright sign. Yeah, it's way easier having a light on. That's why I've made the light, I think, yeah, the light's the most expensive thing in the game. No, it's not the axes. I'll fix that though. Yep, I'm full-time solo indie dev. Cool, mate. Working on an update for my space game that comes out Wednesday. Oh my god, let me follow you. Where's my Twitch? Sorry, mate, I'm just trying to sort some stuff out. There you are. This is irritating. I'm gonna have to... Why can't I find my chat? Oh, that's... Yeah, that's not helping. Yeah, I'm kind of new to Twitch again. I used to do Twitching quite a while ago, but not recently. Wow, this is... Am I being stupid? There you are. Wow, that was a bit annoying. For some reason you'll... Do you know what? I'll just put your name in. I'm an idiot. I've got so many windows open. And you did the wrong one. Yeah, I need some help doing this Twitch and stuff. There you go. Follow. Let's have Gander. Yeah, already. You better at Pixar than I am. So, what do you prefer? Are you a coder, sound, artist? I mean, I know you've got to do everything. Oh god, I don't understand the Twitch thing. No, me neither, mate. Cool. Right, I'm going to put that on there. Right, so what I'm doing at the moment is when you're falling, someone said that there's no impact with the fall. I mean, you can tell the health decreases, but it would be nice to have like a bit of blood because you don't want to look out the corner of your eye sort of thing. Right, so... Yeah. So I've got my blood here. It's not on the emitting because it's a one-shotter. So when it does appear, I want it to emit. And I want to say, oops. Thanks for following, mate. Appreciate it. I have to like move things really quickly out of the way to see who it is. I wish I had a third monitor. Yeah, to be honest, Ghost Captain, that that's an issue on my part because I've just keep adding to it, but you can only have a maximum of 5 levels on your axe. But I guess in theory I should just let you have infinite, but it's, yeah, I don't know, I made that decision, I'm sticking with it now. So if I'm emitting for 1 second, I guess I could have a timer just to kill me. It'd be nice to have a signal on the particles so I could just remove it. Oh, SF Ben, are you a Godot or Unity game maker? Unreal? So the timer starts, well, it should start automatically as a one shot. And I'm just going to make this 2 just so that we know the animation is definitely finished. What am I looking for? Player. And then where's the apply physics? Apply physics, where's the hurt player? Remove health. Here we are. So if we're on floor, remove health. I have to put the particles in, aren't I? So I forgot to do that. What I like to do in Godot is just put like a little error in so I can find where I want to be next. I can go var blood as particles to these. I don't really need to do that for this one. Equals blood scene.instance. Then I want to do it at the global position. I'll just see if I'll have to offset it. So blood.global send equals global times and get parent. See if it works. I use my own custom built game engine. Nice. I've dabbled with Godot. How do you like it? I've never loved an engine before. I've kind of just seen engines as something to make a game with. You know, I enjoy making the. I don't enjoy making the process. It's like but Godot's the first one where I really enjoy the process. I really like the engine. Actually, for some reason, I've took to this one. And I started out years and years ago. I've done XNA, Unity, Game Maker, and Godot. I've done a few others. I've done like Div Game Studio and lots of, and I've even made my own little engine in C#. So what language are you using for your engine? Next level tools can be cut through the world. You can use, say, cutting edge technology. I hope so, mate. Oh yeah, I want to test this. So I didn't load the blood. I always do that. I never load the actual scene up.
Join O2 and help reduce your carbon. Find out more.
I don't think I've ever not done that. Let's try again. Plop. Oh, bit much blood. What do you reckon? Oh, the grenade won't hurt me, will it? No. But it should do. See, I like that amount when he dies, but when he's taking some hits, it's a bit much. C#, it uses monogame for the graphics library. Monogame is just XNA being maintained by a ton of people. Yeah, exactly. I use XNA to be honest, XNA is a game engine, right? Or monogame is a game engine because you've got lots of things done for you. But it's not like a drag and drop thing. And I don't mind. I mean, I'll tell you what, when I first went from XNA to Unity, I was like, oh, this feels really bad, like I'm cheating here. But then after a while you're like, well, why don't you, it doesn't matter if it can focus on the game more than actually building the engine to make the game. Just that's what made sense to me at the time. Yeah, that's smaller blood. probably should knock down the tiles so it loads quicker just for this. Yeah, it's going too high and spread out too much. Try 5. I'm also going to try 20, so it's like halfway. Right, jump over to him. Oh. Still, maybe it's I've just got too many. And it's on for too long. I want it to be a bit flatter. Oh, I know. Change this to a square. Kind of, right? It's better. So what that looks like. Okay, it's kind of easy. I just used a few flares and feels I can get by. Got ya. Do you find it slow though? Because you have to be methodical, I find. And that one you can kind of build your light up really quick, and after you build your light up, it is really easy. I think it's because you can buy things really quickly. And I don't know, I feel like F should be throwing grenades, because I keep doing that. Oh yeah, what am I doing this for? I can do that. I'll just do that here. Alright, let's see if I can take some damage. Plop. Oh, it's right at his stomach, innit? So I've got to spawn it down a little bit, that's fine. Yeah, alright, I like that, but I want it to be at its feet, obviously. So I could... it's half a pixel down. So it's 1, 2, 2.5 plus. It should put it at the feet. I'm just trying to collect for the next axe upgrade until the end of the level. Alright, cool. Thanks for playing it, by the way. I appreciate that, man. Master Gaming VR. Oh, I remember you. He really can't English, I promise. I can English. Yeah, I won't call it a game, as it does sound music, really. An engine has more physics, menu, other things going on. Yeah, if I was to restart today, I'd use Uni. Yeah, that's another thing as well, because like I was in Game Maker before I switched over to Godot, and I just was like so far into it that I was like, oh, I don't really want to change my engine, but I'm so glad I did in the end. I need to find somewhere that's not going to kill me. There we go. I don't know if that was at his feet. I think it was. Alright, that should be... Yeah, it's at his feet. I might just do it a little bit further down because it's happening so fast your eye doesn't really see it. See, that's quite lucky. That is like the best gem in the game. I might have it so if it's... Yeah, if you're like past 50% of the game, then these can spawn. But these types of games is all about tweaking. There you go, that'll do. Okay, so I'm going to do the pit brick particles next. It looks like I can place particles without an OTD. Yeah, you can. Maybe the light could get smaller deep in the cave. Ooh, I don't think about that. I like that. Like, I could offset it the further down you go, the smaller it gets. I'll mess around with that, actually. Because then it would make... Yeah, that would make more sense. I would test it, but I'm busy wanking off to goblins in Warcraft. Yeah, I can't blame you. I'd rather wank off to goblins as well, mate. At least with your own engine, you can patch issues with it yourself rather than hope for it to get fixed. See, this is another thing why I love Godot, is that it's open source. You can download all the source code, and if you want, change whatever you want to be fixed. Yeah. It's fantastic. I've actually looked into the code myself, messed around a few things. Not added anything because I've not really needed anything, you know, but it's just awesome that it's there to do that. It's in C++ though. I do prefer C#, but I can read C++, and I've been doing loads with Arduino. That's more C, but you know, it's not too far off. Okay, brick. 8's fine for this one. I'm just gonna have it. Gravity. None for brick part. I'll just have it come out at... Where's the spread? Oh, thanks for the cheer, mate. Appreciate it. I only learnt what that was the other day. I felt really rude after it because like someone's done it. I was like, I don't even know what that is, but thanks. Obviously that's way too fast. I need some dampening as well. Slow the speed down to 2. It needs to be... I'll just put in an explosive as well for now. A little bit like that, yeah. I'd like them to be scaled, and I'm gonna have it so the color same again. I'm just gonna do a gradient. I can't remember what the colour was. I think it was something like this one. I'll have to look at it in a minute. So I'm going to try the one-shot thing, emit in. I'm just going to nick the blood thing because it's there. Oh yeah. It would make flares mandatory talking about... Yeah, exactly, that's what I was thinking, because after a certain distance... after a certain distance, even if you had like a good light level, you still need flares, and it would make them relevant again. That's a great idea. And it shouldn't be too hard to put in as well. Yep, C# is the best language. I really do think it is, and a lot of people who do GD script are like, no, do GD script. I'm like, well, why don't... To be honest, with Godot, do both. I mean, I started for the first just under a year doing C#, then I moved over to GD script. You can save the colours in the colour picker. Yep, you can. Let's do that now. Oh no, I've got to put a tile somewhere, like where? Where's the art? There it is. So I just want this colour. Can I do it from here? Where's the colour picker? Oh, it's there. You can. That's pretty awesome. I like that. That's awesome. How do you save it? How do you save it when it's right there? That's fantastic. Thanks, mate. It might be
the feeling of running with the wind at your back.
Oh, look at the sun.
Does the sensor sync to your Map My Run app for real-time coaching?
I kind of want it to.
But more likely, you simply notice how fast.
Let's see what it looks like.
Every single night.
What you say in Plymouth?
That's the first time.
What you saying, Plymouth?
Our fastest running shoe could be.
That reminds me that I have to get my client for Discord bot made. One problem I'm having is that I'm too busy constantly trying to improve the code, leading too little to progress with it. Yeah, I don't really have too much of an issue doing that because I kind of go too many times I've done good enough and I should stop doing it. Player, yeah, I guess it's a player brick. I need a script. We also need the timer to time out. It's on for 1. Let's put it on for 2. Start, stonk, and save. Right. Player also needs to do hit brick. Same again. I forgot to do what I went to do. So, if it's... Where is it? I don't really want it on the gem, but I do want it on the bricks, which it's got to be on one of these, so I guess it's... Yeah, it'll be here. var brick parts equals brick part scene.instance, and I guess I want to do this where it's at the axe. That would make sense. So brick parts dot global position equals axe dot global position. No, because that'll be right where the thingy is. Oh, this is where it's going to be then. Ugly way of doing it. That exists. What happens? Have I done omitting on? Yeah, that's fine. And then I want to put it in the get parent. Add to child. Brick parts. Save it. I'm just making sure that it is on omitting. It's on one shop. It's not doing anything. Let's go. I didn't do something actually. Did you load it? I just did then. Let me see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. I don't know. Makes sense though. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. Might make the particles a bit bigger. Maybe more of them? It's cool though, I do like it. It's way better. It's growing on me more I play it. Oh, you know what? You just gave me an idea actually. Why don't I... No, I don't think that'll work. Just make them big. Yeah, I think so as well. I really like them. They're just a bit small. I was really expecting them to be... I don't know. I'll double the size, but I think that might be too much. There's only one way of knowing. Because with the blood particles, they were too big, so... Actually, I like them that size. The only issue is that the glow. I mean, that's not. I don't really mind that they glow. It's because I've got a world environment node on with glow. You know what I think I would like as well is if the when the brick disappears, there's like a little small particle effect, like smoky particle effect. Glow gives a sense of fire. Yeah, it does actually. I mean, to be fair, this axe gun thing, it's open to interpretation, so. I don't think what else I can do. I am tempted just to put some bit sounds in. But what time is it now? It's 10:30. Yeah, I think we'll make a move in a second. Oof. Yeah, I'm going to make a move. Going to do some more boring bits. A bit sleepy today, which is good. Bit sounds, huh? Yeah, that's what you said. I've taken your idea, mate. Right, thanks for following, and yeah, thanks for the bits, Masters Game of the Year, and the raid as well, Ben. Appreciate it, bud. And her Wolan for the help. Bye bye, Tweety. Bricks broke that Mario one brick. Yeah. Oh, I like that as well. You'll come back to see the game and it'll be all your ideas. Take care, bye.